You guys, George said, let's build a puzzle. It's fun. He's gonna help Joel build this puzzle. He's on Joy, I think, or yeah, something. But he's been going at those. I still have yesterday and today, I think, so I'm catching up a little bit. But I started walking yesterday, or walking again, because my doctor cleared me. She said, go ahead and do you, boo. So that's what I'm doing. Getting ready to go do that again. Not a whole lot going on. Let me switch you around. I still haven't done any kind of Christmas shopping for the kids because my kids don't want nothing. Well, Gerald said he wants Lego. He's been asking for Lego for almost every year at this point. He gets him some Legos and he's perfectly fine because he has everything else he needs. Or he just wants to leave the country. When your child asks for Lego or a trip to somewhere, that's where I am at with these kids. Khalil is at work. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Like, Khalil is at work. He's been driving, you guys. Don't listen to me. And he's in college. Like, it's still surreal to me that I have a child that's driving in college and working. Like, it's crazy. But I am gonna go take a walk. I'm like showing you my mama what she did. Oh, let me switch you back again. Remember I was telling you about the bill that they were doing. My dad saw this and he fell in love. So they did that. That's what it's looking like. And we are over here packing up these people's stuff. I don't know how. We're probably going to put these in our storage because we're not going to take it with us. But yeah, Gerald's just been putting his things right there when he builds them. Then he has some in the room that he did yesterday. Or 2, I think. And my little snowflake. I haven't even touched the thing again, you guys. I am so like... I do it and then I'm like, okay, that's it. I did it. I'm over it. But I haven't touched it again. And it's fine. Like this, the red bled, because that's what we just pinched off too and put those little balls right there. They were supposed to be red. So that's why the entire water in here is red. And then one is floating because it didn't stick. And I didn't do the glycerin. My mom says she has it. I just haven't touched it again, you guys. My follow-through game is weak. Oh my gosh, my mom just decorated this. Just put her little things. And it has lights too, you guys. I'll try to find the link. I think I'll try to find a link if you want to check it out. But yeah, she just did her little thing. And then up there too for Christmas. Because you can just change this around for whatever season. And all that. But yeah. It's a beautiful day out here in Florida. It is chilly. For Floridians, they'll tell you it's cold, so they're in boots and sweater. That's what it is. But being that we've been to negative degrees, it's chilly. It's not cold. But yeah, so Jarrell wants to do some baking. We've just been baking up holiday goodies. Probably do that tomorrow and show you guys what he comes up with. But yeah, that's literally what's going on. Have you done any Christmas shopping? And I'm keeping you accountable. What have you done towards your travels? Because I know some of you commented on Instagram, Facebook here that you're, doing your thing, planning your trip or your move abroad. Have you done anything recently to aid in that step? Bought your ticket, luggage? What are you packing? Do something, okay? All right, I think I'm gonna go walk because I don't want to walk at night. Well, it's still like after 3, but I prefer to go during the day when the sun is out a little bit. It's warmer that way, and I'm wearing no sleeve shirt. So, but that is it, you guys. Like I said, I'm not keeping you. I'm just out here trying to do this. I'll probably show you what I'm grabbing for Christmas, and then I'll do a whole... This is going to probably be after Christmas, of course. when I'm shopping for whatever we're taking with us. Show you kind of some of the things. I did tell you do that video on what you should bring, or what I think you should bring with you if you're moving out of the country to most places, to some places, I mean. So I'll probably take you with me shopping and stuff like that early January. Can you believe it's almost January? I know, I'm so all over the place, but crazy talk, crazy talk. All right, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas if you celebrate, or just an amazing holiday if you're doing something. Still haven't figured what we're doing for Christmas dinner yet. Like, I need to make a menu. Store's gonna be open tomorrow and Tuesday, right? Yeah. So gotta get that list and then order. Probably just order from Walmart and then have it delivered, so I don't have to be in that mess. Like, that's all I've been doing, using Walmart to order. Because I don't want to go. Too much going on in the stores, especially right now, today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. All right, you guys, that is it. Just checking in. Super short Vlogmas. Just wanted to do it. Keep myself accountable. Let me know what you guys are up to. Talk to you later. Bye.